I'm studying the string theories.
What the fuck is the string theories?
It is a theory of physics that describes how everything in the universe works.
That sounds very fucking interesting. Tell me more.
Well, it all starts when you realize that everything in the universe is made of string.
Everything is made of string?
Yes, that is the key to the string theories.
How did you find out that everything in the universe is made of string?
The creators of the string theories just figured it out.
Yes, but how?
By thinking of the idea of it.
Has anyone ever seen these strings?
No, they are far too small to see.
So everything is made of invisible string?
Yes.
That no one has ever seen?
Yes.
Oddly, you have not lost me yet. Please go on.
Well, all of the fundamental particles in the universe are made of vibrating pieces of string. Different vibrations create different particles.
Fascinating.
There's more. It turns out that these strings do not vibrate in only the 3 dimensions we can see, but in many more dimensions as well.
Invisible dimensions?
Yes.
Okay, how in the fuck can a whole goddamn dimension be invisible?
Because it's wrapped up very tightly. Like how a wire appears to be one-dimensional when you view it from a distance, but up close you can see that it is 3-dimensional.
And I suppose no one has ever seen one of these invisible dimensions?
Of course not. They are far too small to see.
Well, how do you know they're there?
They are predicted by the string theories.
Predicted how?
Well, you see, when they started to do the math of the string theories using only 3 dimensions, they found that the equations did not balance out to create the particles we've observed in the universe.
I do not like where this is going.
Until they realized that the reason the equations didn't balance was because there were extra dimensions that were not taken into account.
So, let me get this straight. The equations for the string theories didn't balance out, so they decided to just add an arbitrary fudge factor to make things work?
Not fudge factor. Dimension.
And then they decided that this dimension was so small that no one can see it?
Not dimension. Dimensions.
How many dimensions are we talking about?
11.
Fuck you.
Isn't it amazing? The string theories have shown us that the universe is an 11-dimensional bundle of vibrating string.
It has shown us no such thing. You decided the universe was made of vibrating string, and then you made up a bunch of invisible dimensions to shoehorn your bullshit theory into the observable data.
The only problem we have now is that there are too many solutions.
You don't say.
Yes.
How many solutions are we talking about?
5. Or maybe an infinite number. It is hard to tell.
This just keeps getting better.
That's why we don't call it the string theories anymore. Now it is called the M theories.
The M theories?
Yes.
What does the M stand for?
No one knows.
What do you mean no one knows? Who invented the M theories?
Edward Witten.
And what does he say the M stands for?
He won't say.
Okay, very funny. You had me going there for a little while.
The M theories combine all 5 string theories into one super theory that says all 5 are right.
Wait a minute. You're telling me that you had 5 solutions to string theory and you resolved them by deciding that they were all equally correct?
Yes, that is the M theories.
Well, I suppose I shouldn't expect a theory of everything to be easy to understand. So tell me, you say these strings are vibrating in 11 spatial dimensions.
Yes, that is what the M theories says.
Where did these dimensions come from, and what are they made out of?
We don't know. The M theories does not explain where time and space come from.
But I thought you said the M theories was a theory of everything.
Yes, everything that exists in time and space.
But there are only 3 kinds of things that exist: time, space, and energy.
Yes.
But the M theories does not explain where time and space come from.
No.
So your theory of everything is really only a theory of 1/3 of everything.
Everything that exists in time and space.
Okay, so let me see if I get this straight. You decided the universe was made of vibrating string, but you couldn't make the math work in 3 dimensions. So you decided that the universe has 11 dimensions. But then you had too many solutions. So you decided that all the solutions are part of the same great big solution, and this is your theory of everything, and by everything you mean everything, except time and space. Does that about cover it?
Yes.
And as a bonus, no one has ever actually seen any of these strings or invisible hidden dimensions.
No.
Perhaps you should study the loop quantum gravities.
What are the loop quantum gravities?
The loop quantum gravities are a theory of space, time, and energy that explain the emergence not only of all the elementary particles in the universe, but also the structure of time and space, and it does all this in only the three spatial dimensions we can see with our eyes. As a bonus, the loop quantum gravities make specific testable predictions that we can use to validate or invalidate the theory.
That does not sound like very much fun to me.
Well, maybe if you want to sit around all day joking off and making up random nonsense, you should forget about physics and study mathematics instead.